Hello guys, I don't know why my eye is now watering. My nails have all like broken off. I didn't put any gels on for like the last 2 days and they were just snapping off. I've got really paper thin nails. Anyway, I've come on here because one of the girls on my Instagram DM'd me going, I'm just really struggling with a lot of things, and sent me a load of things that she wants to learn and if I could send her an in-depth sort of method on how to do stuff. Which I did. I was slowly going through it and doing it. And then I just thought, do you know what, this is a good motivation to get me back on YouTube, because I've slacked, I've stopped, I started really well and then I stopped. So I am back and I'm going to be bulk filming a load of stuff that I can pump out like every month for you guys. And this is going to go on all social media, so Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, Pinterest, like everything that is social media related, Twitter, everything like that. I will be going on there, and I'm going to be starting doing Twitch, which is an online streaming service basically for everything makeup related, or just streaming and stuff. But I thought I would upload and stream stuff on there of me creating looks for you guys on my phone and stuff like that. Like, it's what I'm going to be doing and I'm quite looking forward to doing it. So yeah, that is my nutshell of my life. Where have I been? I don't know. I've just been so busy. Sorry, it's going to bug me. I've been so busy with everything doing with work, with COVID and everything. And I have struggled to upload anything on my Instagram, stuff like that. And I'm really struggling to create content, and I love creating content. So today is a day where I've literally got a list in my diary where I've got probably about 10 things I need to do today. So I'm going to start doing it, and I'm going to do literally like little series, little tutorials, everything from creating looks to a month of looks I've done. Everything is going to be showcased on here and TikTok and everything like that. I am going to be getting on it this month. It is halfway through the year, and I said in June I wanted to hit this, this and this, and I have done absolutely none of that because I've just had no time, and 2022 has flown by. So I'm here, I am going to create content. I'm here to smash out YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, everything. I am going to get there. I mean, TikTok has been blowing up for me this year. I hit 10k, which was my goal for last year, and I'm here now. So yeah. Yeah, basically, in a nutshell, June is the year, start of my year, 6 months late. Yeah. Is my start of my year of smashing out content. I want to grow and I want to showcase me as who I am on all platforms and stuff like that. So yeah, without me rambling on, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and yeah, that's it really. Wow, I rambled for 3 minutes straight. So yeah, when you see the next video, it will be a brow tutorial. So yeah, bye guys.